In this lesson, we're going to learn more about the plugin system structure and some of the elements that we will use to build our plugin. First, we have plugin actions. Actions are the typical way for a user to invoke the functionality of your plugin, and they're usually organized in toolbars or menus. Here, we can see the new menu selected, which opens a pop-up menu with a lot of different actions, like project, project from existing sources, and so on. Next, we have plugin services. This is a new component that was introduced to replace what was called plugin components, which is now a legacy feature that should not be used anymore. A service is loaded on demand and has three different types. Application-level services, which act as a global singleton, project-level services that are specific to a project, and module-level services specific to a module. However, you should consider not using module-level services because it can lead to increased memory usage in projects with many modules. Services can also be used to store the state of the plugin at the application or project level, and that's what we will use our service for. And finally, we have plugin extensions. Extensions are the most common way to extend the functionality of the IntelliJ platform. For example, we will use an extension from Android Studio to add our own custom module into the new module wizard that's built in Android Studio.